Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So after part 9 where I removed the concrete platform and part 8 where I installed the first ceiling, drywall ceiling, now here is part 10 with the installation of the second drywall ceiling for the rest of the room. This drywall ceiling is a little bit lower than the first one. The first one had to be that high to pass over the window. Now I have a step where the second one is in, and this you will see me now how I install the drywall frame and put the insulation, then put all the wiring, and finally the drywall panels. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye. So as I did it also before with the other drywall ceiling, first I put the laser in place to get the level, then I build up the frame with the U profiles along the wall and at the front, cross at the front, and then the C profiles in. Just keep looking, you will see that I just did it the same way like on the other before. In these pictures you can see how the frame is done, and now I start with the installation of the electric pipes and the electric wires. Just enjoy the video. Now I use packing tape to connect the seat profiles to carry the insulation and pack the insulation on top. You will see some pictures at the end how it looks done. Here the promised pictures, the insulation is in, the wires are in, or the flex hoses for the wires are in, and everything is ready for the drywall panels. So now the drywall panels, I cut them in the workshop. Sadly I didn't take any videos from there. That's why you always see me coming through the yellow door with the panel already in my hand. I put it up, I cut it at the front, and make the front face plate as well from the same panel. At the end I drilled some extra holes to get the pipes out, the flex hoses for the electricity out, and that was the job for today. Now you can see how everything looks done. All the drywall panels are in place. The next step will be to install the door frame, because between the yellow door and the room has to be another door to separate the small pre-room to the bedroom for noise and heat insulation or temperature insulation, and that will be then in part 11. Also in part 11 you will see me, with the help of a friend of mine, start plastering the ceiling, so to get the smooth finish that it only has to be painted at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and the bedroom is soon coming to an end, so I hope you enjoy the whole series, and stay tuned for part 11, which will come tomorrow or next tomorrow. I wish you a wonderful day and come back for more. Bye bye.